Wikidata.com.
It's time for celebrations, and as I told you, that it's a time of Christmas, it's a time of New Year. Most of the people are celebrating. Now, what do we have to think about celebration? Because the celebrations are occasions where we meet people, we meet our friends, relatives, we have a lot of food, and there is a lot of drinks also. So what happens when you drink a lot of carbonated or even sour drinks like lime, or even whatever you have as Sulaimani or whatever it is, there will be chances of getting your teeth eroded. And second thing is having food which is of more sweets and more flavorful food. You don't try to keep the mouth clean. Most of the time you are so tired after the celebrations, you go and sleep. And it's also time for weddings. There is a lot of group meetings happening, there is family meetings happening. So these are the times when we always sleep late and wake up late also. So at this time, most of the time what happens is your brushing schedules, your brushing the frequency and all can reduce. And if it happens, what happens is you will have so much of problems with dental problems. So make sure that wherever you are, take your dental kit with you. Make sure that you brush after your dinner and after your breakfast, and make sure that you do that in a continuous way. So that is one thing. Second thing is, it's a time of celebrations, as I told you. And then what happens is you tend to open your bottles, you open your help your wife change the jewelry, or wives itself would like to change the jewelry and things like that. At that time, don't use your teeth to do all these things. There are simple things which is costing you less than few dollars. Please make sure that you buy that and use that. Please don't use any of your teeth for doing all this bending of metal wires and things like that. And second thing is putting all the trees and the lights and things like that. Don't use your teeth as a wire peeler. You can actually get it from a store. So don't use all these things. It's not a mechanical device, it's for you to smile and chew. So please use it for chewing and smiling, and make sure that you maintain it during this occasions. Now there is another problem, that is most of the time this is a time of travel. This is a time where you visit new countries and things like that. And make sure that you go to the dentist, get your teeth checked, because you are going to a new country. You might not get a good dental expert there. So if you have a dental problem and if you travel and you get into trouble with a pain or something like that, some emergency, then you'll have to go and get satisfied with the dentist who is available just like that. So make sure that, and most of the dentists are also traveling, so most of the time you might not get good dentists wherever you are. So make sure that you check your teeth, so that before you travel with your dentist itself, you check it, so that when you travel you don't get into trouble. So that is something which you have. Those people who are traveling to India, please make sure that you make use of this time, come to a dentist and get the treatment done, because it's a time, most of the dentists are working during this time also. But make sure that you come down, get the treatments also done, so that your travel can be cheaper, because getting dental treatments done in India is much more cheaper. So make sure that you use that time to get your dental treatment and your smiles fixed. So that's also something which you can think about. So with all these things, make use of your time. Don't take off your dental protocol, and make sure that you have good food and good time, and make sure that you don't have any problems with your teeth. Please send all these advices to all your friends, so that they'll also have a great time and great smiles after and in 2022 also. So let us say goodbye to 2021, and then say hope that we'll have a great and wonderful 2022, and wish you all a happy new year and a very merry Christmas. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from Nechupadam Dental at Kochi, Kerala. Thank you.
Wikidata.com.